Hey guys, so I am doing my very first Valentine's Day drop and I have a few super cute pieces and this is the first one, but of course it requires boob tape. So I wanted to show you guys a little before and after of this super cute sexy black dress that you can wear on your date for Valentine's Day, paired with some great shapewear and some boob tape, okay? So it's not changed the way I look in this dress entirely, and I'm excited about it. So let's get started. Okay, so the boob tape that I'm gonna use today is our True Lift in Chocolate, which is the same color as my skin. And we're gonna use our infamous tummy control panties, which I love. So we have some amazing tummy control shorts too. And I love our shorts, but the shorts come to about right here, and I don't want to chance it being out and about and, you know, somebody being up in my business. So we're going to go with the tummy control panties just to ensure that no one sees them, okay? So this dress is really form-fitting and it, you know, hugs your body. And it's one of the ones that you definitely want to have some shapewear on with. So I'm going to go with my tummy control panties because they're seamless as well. And, yeah. So I'm wearing this dress in a medium, and I'm a triple D, and yeah, so this one I felt like would be pretty fun to do a video on because it's different. Like it's shoulderless on one side and have a shoulder on the side, and we just need to lift the girls up. So let's get started. Okay guys, so I have pre-taped my boobs a little bit for this look, but I'm gonna show you what I did so that you can achieve the same look, okay? So for a look like this, we're gonna go from bottom to top, and you gotta be pretty strategic with it, especially if you have heavy boobs like me, because you wanna make sure that you get some sort of a lift on your boob and not just be taped up for no reason. So let me show you. I cut a very small strip of tape. You gotta measure from top to bottom. And basically, I'm gonna repeat these steps over and over again because the more tape that I put, the more I'm gonna get a lift, all right? So definitely wanna lift up on it like I'm doing here. And you wanna start at the bottom of your boob, and you're gonna have to lift up on it in order to get a lift. You see? I get so excited when I see it lift. I'm like, yes, we got a lift. All right, and we're gonna do the same thing on this side. So again, I'm probably gonna add about 2 more strips on each side because I wanna be pretty secure, you know, like if I'm at dinner or whatever, I want the maximum lift in this dress because as we all know, if our boobs are lifted properly, it can change the whole outlook of our appearance, honestly. You don't want to go too close to the V area because this cleavage is out. So you want to make sure people don't know that you have the tape on. We want to be inconspicuous. So I'm starting at the bottom again, and I'm just lifting up just to get that maximum hold. And I'm going to go in on my right side and do the same thing. So definitely measure your boob from here to here. Bottom to top every time. The rules do not change. For a look like this, you could have went horizontal, but to me, you don't get the best look, the best lift that way. You get the best lift when you go vertical, in my opinion. You go from here to here, which I feel like this piece is a little too high, but I'll be able to tell, like once I put my dress up, I'll be able to tell what areas I need to cut. And I'm eyeballing it at this point because I'm pretty used to it, but you guys need to measure. I get so many questions like, Jazz, how'd you do it? How'd you lift your boobs? All right, and then here on this side, lift up. I'm gonna come in on that corner, because that corner, if you come in on that corner piece, it gives you such good cleavage in the middle. So you definitely want to make sure you come in that corner piece, because that corner piece pushes it in and gives you bomb cleavage. And again, you know, I like to repeat the steps over and over again. And here in the corner, we're gonna do the same thing. We're gonna lift and pull. Uh-oh, we have a little accident over here, so I'm gonna add one more strip to this side for security purposes. And get that bottom lift. Alright, lift up on it, come in the corner, and lift up. And pull up. Like a lot of you, I think the reason you're not getting the lift that you need is because you're not pulling up on it. You gotta pull up for your girls to sit up. So I think we may be properly taped. So let me go check and see how we looking. So at this point, guys, I am totally taped and I'm geeked about it. All right, and so you can see a really big difference, and I'm gonna show you how it looks in this dress now that I'm totally taped up. So here's the big reveal. And there it is. We are totally lifted with our tape on. No bra. And we look good. I think we do. I think we look pretty good. And I'll turn around so you guys can see in the back too. Like, yes, we are so ready for our date. Not yet though. We gotta put some shapewear on. So let me show you guys our infamous tummy control panties. They look like granny panties, but that is all love, okay? So I'm gonna put these on camera. Nobody should be able to see anything. So these guys have a little latch right here too. So they have a latch on the inside, as you can see, and then they also have a zipper for extra support and extra resistance. So I wear these in a small because I want it to be tight. So I always buy them a size smaller so that they can be tight. So I'm gonna put them on, put my granny panties on camera. At least I'm gonna try to without showing my business. So I'm back and I got my panties on. And Lord knows that snatching me up. You could already feel it happening. So now that I got them latched up, I gotta zip them up. Jeez Louise. All right, I gotta zip them up. Okay. Now, cool beans. So I got my panties on and I'm definitely extra secure. Like from the side, you can see it happening. These panties don't play, baby. They have completely snatched me up. So now I'm gonna pull down my dress so you guys can see what's happening. And now I gotta get myself all adjusted. It's so hard to do on camera. Okay. And voila. This is the finished look. This dress is different, it's unique, and I feel pretty. I feel so pretty. This is me with the tummy control shapewear on. I feel like it contoured my size more. This is the back view. It holds my back fat in for sure. And yeah, it's got me looking good. It lifts your butt up too. Like the tummy control panties lift your butt up too. So it's like totally seamless in the back. Your butt is looking rather good. Yes. And in the front, you look contoured and classy. So like I said, this dress, I love it. It's perfect. I'm gonna wear it on my Valentine's Day. I don't know if you will, but you should check it out. So you need to check this dress out today and order it at shopthetruelift.com along with your boob tape, along with your tummy control panties. Okay? Alright, see y'all next time. Let me know what you think in the comments below about this dress. What are your thoughts? I know it's different. I wanted to do something different, but I wanted it to be chic and classy and not just everything holy. So let me know what you think in the comments. See y'all soon.